a certain somebody wanted me to make a video of the thingy behind my house, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. This is the truck I'm getting when I get my driver license. Fucking video, knock it off. I fucking love this truck. Ugh. Shit, fuck. I have to jump to get in it. It's at, like, my waist, I guess. So I have to... Ugh. Fucking love this truck so much. It's actually in really good shape for being in 1995. We got, like, what's it called? Rhino liner in there. 'Cause, yeah. And I am still worried about my dog because she has not come down there from where we went to see the city. And that's scaring the shit out of me. My grandpa also is gonna let me drive 2011. God damn it, you stupid window. Fucking nigger. Oh, hey, why does it keep reflecting? You cunt fuck. There we go. He's gonna let me drive that for the driver's test. My faggotish brother drove that. I'm on top of it, yay! While we're here, I should show you the elk I shot. This elk was in the back. Okay, now where's that? Oh, there. The whole head and horn. You see, we got rhino liner in here. This is my first elk I've ever shot. Hold on. First elk I've ever shot. It's got a little acorn tip on it. It was about think it was like, it weighed in at 250, so I'll make another video of the trail.